lessens the stress, obviously. Anyway, enough of me talking. Somebody's going to join the motorway, so I will move across because it's safe to do so. Give them space and they can join effortlessly. Let's see how they... Okay, good. That's what it's all about. Nice clean joining onto the motorway. Nobody gets forced to brake, or, you know, nice and clean. It's all about observation. I was going to, I don't know about this, but it's a little bit off topic. I don't know if you saw my last video where I uploaded that video game footage of Automobilista 2. Some guys or girls, or whoever's watching this, some of you may play it, some of you might not. If you do play it, how are you finding it? Let me know in the comments if you wanna. I will move across because he's going slowly. There was a gap. He's giving me way there. Nice. Thank you. It seems like I'm gonna overtake this white van, so may as well just get in. What is he doing? What is he doing there? Unbelievable. Getting right up to his bumper, slamming on, and then deciding that he needs to overtake him. What kind of driving is that? Anyway. Yeah, so yeah, we're just talking about that Automobilista 2. How are you finding it? What do you think of it? Some of you, I don't know if you game or not, but in my spare time, obviously, I do a bit of that. I just get on the old racing simulator and do some racing. And I'm not the best, but I'm not the worst. But I don't know about you, but I've been getting hammered online. I'm not particularly quick. I want to be, but you know, it's difficult, man. There's some really fast guys out there. I mean, the thing is, as well, it's one thing to be fast on a video game, but are you fast in reality? Because sometimes they don't link. Because obviously, in the video game, you're not feeling all the forces on your body. You're not feeling the fear as well. So yeah, it's a different sensation for me as a professional driver. The sensations you feel in your wheel on the video game, they are good, really good on that game actually, and it's getting better. I really enjoy it. But what I'm saying is it's different when you're doing it in reality. I've not raced in reality, but I have been on a racetrack, and I've driven on a racetrack. So it wasn't a race car, it was just a standard road car really, front wheel drive, but it was a nice experience. But the next thing I want to do is one day go on a racetrack in a performance car, maybe a Ferrari or a I don't know, you know, just one of them super sports cars, one of them high performance race cars type, not race car but sports car. So some of you may have had that experience, and lucky for you. Put in the comments if you have. Let me know how it went, what you thought of it, what you think you could have done better, or I don't know.
After 2 miles.
Yeah, it looks like we're leaving this motorway. But anyway, yeah, I was going to say also on that Automobilista 2, if any of you find subscribers, if any of you find people who have bothered to watch my video, if you've watched it and thought maybe you'd want to race me, yeah, you can do it actually. Because I'm going to start setting up some races on a Wednesday, sort of like Wednesday night, maybe about 7 o'clock, or yeah, call it 7, and I'll host a race on there, and if you want to join, you can join. I'll put a password on it, and the password will be racer with an A in the, not an A, sorry, a 4. yeah, so racer with a 4 in there. If you want to join, you can join. If not, then cool. That's if you've got the game, obviously. And I've got all the DLC and all that, so any track we can go to, that's cool.
After half a mile, exit the motorway.
If not, that's cool, leave it as well, you know, that's cool. But yeah, I'll do that. I'll set it up for this Wednesday, 7 o'clock, and I'll have it running for about 20 minutes, call it 20 minutes. If nobody comes, that's fine. If somebody comes, that's fine as well. If it's just me and another person racing, that's going to be a bit boring. So I'd prefer a lot of you to come if you can. But if you can't, I understand.
Enter the roundabout and take the 3rd exit.
But yeah, if we can, we'll get some kind of community going on there, because it really is a fantastic game, and it's really difficult online actually. Racing the computer is different. It's very easy, but actually that game's got hard AI. The AI is quite difficult to beat, and they race really well. But people are another level. Come on. Just brake. Just changed, didn't it? The traffic lights just changed on us quickly there. But you've got to be prepared for that. And we've done well there. As you should do, really. As I should do. You're probably saying, you should have done. You're a professional, right? So right, here we go. Let's go. they say 38 has no issues on it because sometimes they tend to close it in certain points at certain points, so I just hope it's alright. No issues. So yeah, if you want to join that Automobilista online, 7 o'clock on a Wednesday. Password is racer with a 4, and the racer with a 4 is all capital letters. So yeah, I'll give it a try this Wednesday. But if you do play it, leave in the comments how you're finding it. If you play the game outright, you know, and you own it and everything. So yeah, as a professional driver, I do sim race, and I've got